Hazrat Hanzala radiyallahu anhu states, we were sitting in the company of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam counseled us and talked about hell. He said, I then came back home and had a fun with children and played with my wife. Then I came out and met Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu. I mentioned this episode to him. He said, I have also done what you have said. We then visited Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Hanzala has become a hypocrite. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, what are you saying? I then narrated the whole episode to him. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu submitted, I experienced the same he has narrated. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, O Hanzala, there is a time for remembrance and a time for worldly affairs. If the state of your heart remains the same as it were while remembering Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the angels alayhimus salam would shake hands with you and salute you on the ways. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6901.